What's up, it's Sarah LaFay. Welcome to my channel. Another quick video answering a question that I got in my hair Q&A. Somebody wanted to know how I got my curls the way I did because it was more like a wave. So I actually learned this technique in South Africa. I have actually tried this on my natural hair. For some reason it just works better for me with the weave. Also, my weave was longer, so it's not going to have the same look as that video, but I will just really quickly show you the technique I used and how I got that style. I'm using the BaBylissPRO flat iron. I have it on the highest setting, which is 450, because I'm using it on my weave and I feel like I get the best curl when I have it on the highest setting. If you are using this on your natural hair, use a heat setting that is safest for your hair type, and I'll make sure to have this link down below. Dividing my hair up, we're gonna work in what I will say to be medium sections, detangle it. So what I'm gonna do is smooth out the whole piece, and then I'm gonna come about a quarter of the way down. I'm going to flip my flat iron backwards as if I'm gonna curl it, but then I'm gonna stop kind of halfway down, so I have this bit of a curl here, and then you just take the flat iron and you smooth out the end one more time. So your curl is going to look like this. Now if my hair was a little longer like it was in that video, I would want to create two curls like this and then at the end make it straight, if that makes sense. I'll show you with another piece. We're going to smooth out the whole piece. We're going to come about a quarter of the way down, flip the flat iron backwards as if we're going to do a curl with a flat iron, let it go, and we're going to take the ends here and flat iron it again. Now to make sure this isn't going to be so uniformed, we are going to play with where we start the curl at. So you may start at a quarter of the way down, you might want to start at a half of the way down, but just kind of doing that variation throughout the hair is going to help it look more natural. So this one I'll come down about halfway and then we'll curl it. And if you wanted to flip it 2 times in one section, you can do that as well. So you can see this curl is more towards the bottom as opposed to these curls that's more at the top. So I'm gonna speed through this and then let you guys see how I kind of style and put everything together. You can even turn the flat iron the opposite way just to give the curls another variation. I feel like the more variation you give, just the more effortless it looks. So now I'm flipping it with my wrist turning up as opposed to down, and this is kind of the curl I got. And I think I actually want to curl it a little bit more at the bottom because this section of my hair is a little bit longer, and this is what I meant by if your hair is longer, how you can kind of put 2 curls into it. And you can also separate the curls as you go. That's what I like to do. But the key is no matter what you do, always flat iron the bottom straight. So got my weave done. I just have the leave out left. Now with my leave out, I turned the flat iron to $3.75. I got the Chi 44 iron guard, and this was on sale from Amazon for like $4 and some change. So I'll make sure to link it. I don't know if it's still on sale. Now with the leave out, because the pieces are so much shorter and I'm trying to get it to frame my face, I'm just going to curl it away from the face, and then I only run the flat iron through it one time. Here is the final look. Hopefully you understand the basics of the techniques that I use with my flat iron, and until the next video.